A heartening message from the Prime Minister on the vaccine front. Narendra Modi has said that a vaccine will be ready in the next few weeks. Speaking at the all-party meeting this morning, the Prime Minister said that as soon as scientists give a green signal, vaccination will start in India. Healthcare and frontline workers and the elderly suffering from serious diseases will be given priority in the vaccine queue. The Prime Minister added that the world is keeping a watch on the cheapest and safest vaccine and is looking up to India to provide the same. He added that the centre is in talks with state governments over the price of vaccines and a decision regarding it will be taken keeping public health as the topmost priority. Well, this after questions were raised as to whether the centre would bear the cost of the vaccine at this meeting. The third phase of clinical trials of Bharat Biotech's Covaxin and the Serum Institute's Covishield is currently underway in the country. Russia's Sputnik 5 phase 2 and 3 trials are also underway.
माना जा रहा है कि अगले कुछ हफ्तों में कोरोना की वैक्सीन तैयार हो जाएगी। जैसे ही वैज्ञानिकों की हरी झंडी मिलेगी, भारत में टीकाकरण अभियान शुरू कर दिया जाएगा। वैक्सीन की कीमत कितनी होगी, इसे लेकर भी सवाल स्वाभाविक है। केंद्र सरकार इस बारे में राज्य सरकारों के साथ बात कर रही है। वैक्सीन की कीमत को लेकर फैसला जन स्वास्थ्य को सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता देते हुए किया जाएगा और राज्य सरकारों की इसमें पूरी सहभागिता होगी। भारत में कोरोना वैक्सीन की रिसर्च से जुड़े दायित्व के लिए विशेष टास्क फोर्स का गठन किया गया था और वैक्सीन से जुड़े अभियान का दायित्व नेशनल एक्सपर्ट ग्रुप को दिया गया है। इसमें टेक्निकल एक्सपर्ट्स हैं, केंद्र सरकार के संबंधित मंत्रालयों और विभागों के अधिकारी हैं, प्रत्येक जोन के हिसाब से राज्य सरकारों के भी प्रतिनिधि हैं। ये नेशनल एक्सपर्ट ग्रुप राज्य सरकारों के साथ मिलकर के काम कर रहा है। राष्ट्रीय और स्थानीय हर जरूरत के मुताबिक फैसले नेशनल एक्सपर्ट ग्रुप द्वारा सामूहिक तौर पर लिए जाएंगे।
I want to go across to India today. It's Anand Patel who's been tracking that very important all-party meet. Anand, a lot of questions have been asked so far about the manner in which vaccine dissemination is going to take place. There have been concerns over pricing as well. The Prime Minister has sought to answer every one of those questions. But the biggest message I think that everyone's going to be hanging on to is that the Prime Minister says in a few weeks from now, the vaccine will be here.
Absolutely, Shiv. That's a big relief and a big news which was shared by the Prime Minister at a time when the COVID cases are on the rise after the festive season. And the Prime Minister had himself visited the 3 key laboratories in Ahmedabad, Pune and Hyderabad to take a first-hand account of what is the situation, at what levels the development of the domestic vaccines are. And today he briefed various leaders from the different political parties who are the floor of the houses in both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And he tried to address their concerns, dispel the myths, and also discuss with them as to how the government is dealing with the pandemic. 2 important takeaways from this, Shiv. One, that India's death rate is low, the recovery is very high, and we are doing very well as compared to even some of the developed states as far as the COVID pandemic management is concerned. And the other news is about the vaccine, about which there is a lot of concern, a lot of questions are being asked, a lot of speculation is there. The Prime Minister made it very clear that we are well on the path of getting a vaccine which will be available to the country within next few weeks. And about the pricing also, there is a lot of speculation. He said that will be discussed with the states and the pricing will be kept keeping in view the interests of the public health. So clearly, the Prime Minister not divulging the price of the vaccine, but he said that the public interest will be the focus while deciding the prices. And also, he made it very clear that India has a very good cold chain to provide the vaccination to its large population. That was one of the big concerns which have been raised by international bodies as well as to how
Yes.
India will do the vaccination given the vagaries of weather here. So the Prime Minister said we have a very good network of cold chain and India will be able to deliver the vaccine. As far as the opposition are concerned, there are a few sticking points which the opposition did try to raise out. First and foremost was the Prime Minister's announcement that the first vaccine will be given to health workers, frontline workers and the elderly who are at the risk of getting the disease. The opposition wanted to know as to, what about the rest of the population? India is a huge population, 1.3 billion, close to 1.3 billion population. What is the government's roadmap to give vaccine to all these people? And time and again, we've heard from the government quarters that not everybody needs a vaccine. So the opposition wanted to know as to what is the roadmap
Yes.
the government will undertake to give vaccine to all the other people. And what about the poor people? How will they get vaccine? Will they get subsidy? Will they get it free? That also need to be made clear by the government. So a lot of sticking points there, Shiv. But at the end of it, the Prime Minister tried to, allay all the fears and address the concerns. And a big relief came from his
Absolutely.
address that India is very close to getting a vaccine.
It's a heartening message for
a
a question that truly unites us all across the country and across the world. Anand, thank you very much for that crucial all-party meet address there by the Prime Minister. Thanks for joining us with that update.